So this is the tour of the lifts in Ipswich. First at the multi-storey car park. I'll unpause it when the lift is here. So here's the lift. It's a cone monospace. We're not going in it. Send it up 6. Now to the next lift. And now to the next lift. This is right by the multi-storey car park. It's another cone monospace. It just has different buttons and it only has 1 floor. And the capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. Here it is. So we are now sending it down. So we came into Boots and it, same as usual, it's Pickering's. Oh well. Now let's go to the last lift to finish off this lift tour. And now to the last lift in the Circuit Makers to finish off this really long lift tour. I'll unpause it when it's here. So here it is. Ding! It's finally here. Hold on, yes. Oh, what? They fixed it. Door hold button. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this lift tour.